Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Welcome. Table for one?
Yes, just one, please.
Right this way. Here's your table.
Thank you. This is a very nice place.
Here's the menu. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'll start with a glass of iced tea, please.
Of course. I'll be right back. Here's your iced tea.
Thank you very much.
Take your time looking at the menu. Let me know if you need help.
Actually, could you recommend something? It's my first time here.
Sure. Our grilled chicken, pasta, and classic beef burger are very popular.
That sounds great. I'm quite hungry today.
Then I would suggest the beef burger with fries. It's very filling.
Perfect. I'll take that.
How would you like your burger cooked?
Medium, please.
Would you like anything else?
Yes, could I also get a small salad on the side?
Absolutely. Anything else?
That's all for now, thank you.
I'll place your order right away.
Thanks. This restaurant has a really relaxing atmosphere. The lighting is soft and the music is nice. It's a good place to sit and think.
Here is your burger, fries, and salad. Enjoy your meal.
Wow, everything looks delicious. Thank you. Let me try the salad first. Very fresh. Now the burger. Wow, that's really tasty. The meat is juicy and the bread is soft.
How is everything?
Everything is excellent. I really like the flavor.
I'm happy to hear that.
The fries are crispy too. You did a great job.
Thank you. Let me know if you need anything.
I will, thanks. I'm really enjoying this meal. It's been a long day, and this is exactly what I needed. Good food and a quiet place.
Are you still enjoying everything?
Yes, very much. Thank you for checking. I'm getting full, but I still want to finish as much as I can because it's so good.
Would you like a takeaway box?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
I'll bring one right away. Here you go.
Thank you. I'll pack the rest.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, I'd love to.
We have chocolate cake, ice cream, and fruit salad.
I think I'll go with the chocolate cake.
Great choice.
I'm full, but dessert is always a good idea.
Here's your chocolate cake.
Wow, that looks amazing. Thank you. Let me try it. That's really delicious. Sweet, soft, and rich.
Would you like anything else?
No, I think I'm done now.
Would you like the bill?
Yes, please.
Here is your bill.
Thank you. The service was excellent and the food was great.
Thank you so much. We hope to see you again.
Definitely. I'll come back again soon.
Have a wonderful evening.
You too. Goodbye.